Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to increase text size on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. This is very useful if text looks too small or if you want better readability on your screen. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Inside this menu, look for an option called Text Size and tap on it. Here, you'll see a slider at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag the slider to the right to make the text larger, or to the left to make it smaller. As you move the slider, you'll see a live preview of how the text size changes. Once you're happy with the size, you can just go back. Your changes are saved automatically. Now, if you want the text to be even bigger, go back to Display and Brightness. This time, tap on Display Zoom. Select Larger Text, then tap Set in the top right corner. Your iPhone will restart and the text will appear larger across the system. And that's it. You've successfully increased the text size on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.